Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coding Theory Guru. So in today's video we are going to create a mathematical cockroach animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, see. See, so basically this project uses parametric equations and trigonometric functions to simulate the realistic motion of a cockroach. Okay. Okay, so including its body, legs and all the parts. Okay, see, it's like a antennas. Okay, so see, first let's talk about the HTML structures. So basically we have created a simple layout with a canvas element where all the animation will be drawn. Okay, so we have added some controls like sliders and checkboxes to change the animation speed, toggle trails and switch between styles. Okay, so the canvas is basically our drawing area and all the movements will happen here through JavaScript. Okay, so in CSS here we have styled the page to make it look clean and centered. So basically we gave the body a dark background to make the animation stand out. Okay, so the canvas is kept in the center with some soft shadows. So we also use like simple styling for the sliders and labels to make them look user friendly. Okay, and now comes the most interesting part is JavaScript. So basically we use the canvas API to draw and animate the cockroach. Okay, so this code selects our canvas and gets the drawing context. Basically it lets JavaScript draw shapes and lines. Okay, so here we define variables like speed and angle. Okay, so angle keeps increasing over time to create a smooth motion using math functions like sin and cos. Okay, and so basically in draw function, inside the draw cockroach function we use trigonometric equations to calculate the position of each part: body, head, legs and antennas. See, okay, so basically this moves the cockroach smoothly in a path. So each leg also moves using sine waves but with different angles to look more natural. So basically, so these cockroach smoothly in an elliptical path. Okay, see, so this creates an infinite loop that keeps updating and redrawing the animation on the canvas. So that's how you get continuous motions like a real insect crawling. See, So the animation uses parametric equations. Okay, parametric equations. So basically these functions generate circular or elliptical movement. By adjusting the phase of each leg, we make them look like they are walking. See, okay. So using sliders, you can change the speed. Okay, slow up, slow up. Okay. So when you enable trail, the old frames fade, slowly creating a glowing trail effect. Okay. So switching to cartoon mode changes the color scheme and makes it look animated and fun. See. Okay. So that's how we create a complete mathematical cockroach animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay. Here is the code.